What causes gurgling sounds from my sump pump? Imagine hearing a bubbling or gurgling noise coming from your basement and wondering what's going on. That sound is often caused by water moving through your sump pump's valves and pipes. When your pump is working, it pushes water out of the sump pit through the discharge pipe. As the water flows, it passes through check valves or other types of valves designed to stop water from flowing backward. This process can create a gurgling or bubbling sound, which is usually normal. It simply means your pump is actively moving water out of your home. More specifically, this noise can happen when the pressure inside the discharge line is relieved. Many sump pumps have a small hole called a relief hole about 12 inches up the pipe inside the sump pit. This hole allows trapped air and water to escape, which can produce that gurgling sound. If this relief hole is blocked or missing, the noise can become louder and more persistent. The type of valve installed also influences how much noise you hear. Traditional check valves may cause more noticeable gurgling, while spring-loaded or swing check valves tend to quiet the sound. During routine sump pump maintenance, it's a good idea to check that these valves are working properly and that the relief hole is clear. Proper installation of the discharge pipe and valves helps keep noise levels manageable. If the gurgling is loud, continuous, or accompanied by other issues like the pump running constantly or vibrating excessively, it might be a sign of a problem. It could mean the valve isn't sealing correctly, the discharge pipe is blocked, or the pump is struggling. Regularly inspecting and cleaning your sump pump and its components can prevent these issues. In summary, gurgling sounds are a normal part of how your sump pump operates, caused by water passing through valves and pressure relief points. Ensuring your system is properly installed and maintained helps keep these noises at a comfortable level. Routine care, like checking valves and the relief hole, can make a big difference in how your sump pump sounds and functions.